So there's a client that had 30 odd properties,
Yeah.
hadn't declared, paid any tax on those for over how many years?
So this gentleman, absolutely amazing guy, very nice. You know, he's not, and most
Just
people
forgetful with his tax returns.
on a personal level, really down to earth. Worked really hard all of his life and built up over 25, 30 years a property portfolio that was worth, by the time we got involved, probably over £3 million. He'd bought rundown properties, developed them, and then kind of started renting them. Still held about 30 odd properties at the time. Now we approached HMRC and they were about to come to catch him anyway.
They'd come up with a £2 million figure for tax.
Yeah, they looked at the value, they looked at the normal rents that might have generated, and they came up with a figure of tax and interest and penalties of £2 million. Looking at that, looking at Bank of England's interest rates and many other factors, including like the changes in the property market, we came up with a model, and that model showed he had tax, interest and penalties of around £470,000.
Okay.
Now, so you can imagine this, £1.5 million in the total settlement of a property portfolio worth 3 million, which still had significant, he had to either accept it or they'll tweak it. And in this case, they pretty much accepted it on face value. And the client was still able to pretty much keep the entirety of his property portfolio, refinance a few properties, fund it, and move on with his life.